So I have several tutorials on making polymer clay keycaps and then also how to cast resin in keycaps, because I wanted to open up that knowledge to other people. Um, it's the tutorials that I wished I had when I was trying to figure it out, because it took me so long to figure it out. And there was like one person on YouTube who did actually have like a few tutorials, and it was like that one person, like thank you to that one person who was willing to share that knowledge, that, kind of enabled me to figure out some of these things, like how do you convert, a paint stirrer into a pressure pot and things like
Mm-hmm.
that. Um, Stuff that's just, that information isn't readily available, which was interesting. But